Hi. Today we will show you how to convert URL to PDF with PDF.co using Integromat. To begin, let's start by creating a new scenario. Next, search and select PDF.co app and choose the Convert HTML to PDF. For the Convert Type field, select the URL to PDF. In the Input URL to Web page, enter the URL to be converted into PDF. Then, set the orientation of the page. In the Paper Size field, set the size of the paper sheet. After setting up the configuration, you may now run the program. You can copy and paste the URL to view the output. Here's the converted PDF output looks like. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.